Good morning, YouTube. It is Vlogmas day 4 and it is currently 11 a.m. Well, about to be, and we got another package to open, so yeah. Alright, I'm about to start eating. It's like 12 something, 1 p.m. Dang, sorry guys. Alright, so the last clip you guys just seen, last clip you guys just seen was of me opening my dress I'm supposed to wear this Sunday. I tried it on off camera. Personally, I like the dress, don't get me wrong, but I'm too small for the dress. Like, the dress fits me snug, right? But my only thing is I don't really have a body for the dress. It's cute, it's a cute dress, I just don't have no hips, and that's the thing that's pissing me off. I'm gonna get some tea, some green tea. But yeah, I mean, it's cute. I was scared that the shoes wasn't gonna match, but it matches. Not like to the T, but like good enough. Like, it's a good enough match. Alright, so today is December 5th. I know I said I wasn't gonna vlog or anything, but I was like, you know what, I might as well. But I'm gonna just wait to post everything until the end of the week. I do still kind of have a cold. My nose is still running, still sneezing here and there. I ended up redoing my nails, so this is where we're at right now. I still gotta add rhinestones and stuff on them and do a little design. I don't know what design I'm doing yet, that's why they're still like this. But I changed the shape. No, I didn't change the shape, I changed the length, and I changed the color of the base, so the base is a little bit darker now, but that's where we're at right now. So I played it safe. I did white French tip, no design, until I figure out what design I'm gonna do. I just came back from the hair supply store, and let me show you what I got. I spent $36, $37 realistically, but I got a pack of crystal clear rhinestones for my shoes. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, so me and my best friend is going to bedazzle my birthday shoes. For these ones, I decided I'm gonna just do like a trim of rhinestones to match my dress, since my dress is plain and it really only has like a body chain. So that's where that design comes in. And then for the other shoes, I still don't know what I'm gonna do to them because you can't really see them with the pants. Yeah, so I didn't buy E6000 because I couldn't find none in none of the stores that I went to, so I got crazy glue. So I'm starting a few days early just so I could test out and see how strong the crazy glue would be. I already know I'm not gonna wear my shoes like at the party for real. I'm gonna just wear it just to take pictures, because I'm not really like, I like heels, I like wearing heels, but only for the pictures, because I'm already tall as hell, so what the hell am I wearing heels for? But I bought crazy glue so I could glue the rhinestones on the shoes. I know it's probably not going to be the strongest, but yeah, so this is going to be my little project for today. And I bought me some lashes. I'm currently on a lash break right now, but I miss my lashes, so I bought my lashes. I also bought some shorter ones so I could do bottom lashes. I like dramatic bottom lashes, but this little bit of stuff came up to $36. This was $20. Each of the lashes is $10. This one was $6. This was $5, and this was $2. What the heck? I also went and got me some tres leches cake. This is like holy grail. I love this cake so much. And now for the birthday here, I still am debating on if I want to take that risk and order my birthday here or just work with what I got, because if I take that risk and order now, it says that it could get here before my birthday, but I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But the backup plan, this was supposed to be the backup wig, like the backup plan. I like it, but I just wish it was more full. Like, I'm a big hair girl. Like, I like big hair. And with the dress, maybe because my makeup is not done, I think I'm gonna do my makeup and then try on the dress again, and then see if I like it with this hair or not. If not, I'm gonna switch wigs. But yeah, so we'll talk. Okay, I just finished my top lashes. Don't look at that. But that's how they look. Let's close this. I'm about to do my bottom lashes and I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, lashes done. My bottom lashes is mad dramatic. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing these shoes. Yeah. Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody to fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody to build you up, then I take.
nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page.
Welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. Yeah, hear my voice. Oh my goodness. I don't even think anything's happening today. I'm mad tired. But today is December 6th. It's 9:38 in the morning. I did want to go check out this pop-up shop. It's the Nike and Urban Outfitters pop-up shop. They did like some little collab. I wanted to go see that, but I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I don't feel like getting up. It starts at 11 a.m. and it ends at 4. So I'm gonna like try to go get ready right now and see how I feel. I have to go outside anyways. I wasn't really planning on going outside this early for real. But then I'm like, I do want to take some pictures because it's been a minute since I really dressed up just to go take pictures. So I want to do that. But I want somebody to like come with me and take my pictures. But then again, I really don't. So, oh God. So I'm gonna go and get myself situated. I still gotta figure out what to do to my nails. I don't know why the camera keep going out of focus. But I gotta get up.
In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we not hiding, 'cause that's just the way we are. You say you love me when it's like that. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together, get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Alright, y'all. So, as I'm getting ready to leave, we got another package. But this, I don't know what this is. Everything that I needed to order, I already ordered. So, I'm assuming that this is a birthday gift or something. Oh! Matter of fact, I know exactly. Y'all. New drop. What? Oh my God. Guys. Okay, so I gotta make content in these pants. That's what that means. Okay then. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to, you know what? Yeah. Alright guys, it is the next morning. It's like 8 a.m. I got home. I didn't even know what time I got home for real. But I lost 2 nails. So I'm about to make me some tea in my cup from last night. I had 3 cups. And I took a shot of this before I left. But when I was at the party, I was drinking dark liquor.
My body is